Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the rusting of iron. Okay, we discussed about the galvanization process also. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. For the rusting, water and oxygen is essential. For the rusting process, both the water and oxygen is required. Due to the oxygen and water only, iron articles and any metals will be rust. Okay, and once you have to observe, ships are made up of iron and a part of them remains under water. Once you have to observe about the ships are made up of iron and a part of them remains under water. On the part above water also, some of the part on ships is underwater, and on the part above water also. Water drops keeping cleaning to the ship's outer surface. That water drops on the seawater, that water drops keep cleaning to the ship's outer surface. Moreover, the water of the sea contains many salts. Seawater contains the many salts. The salt water makes the process of rust formation faster. Compared than pure water, seawater is having the some salts. It will be that salt water makes the process of the rust formation very faster. Therefore, ships suffer a lot of damage from rusting in spite of being painted. So, salt water having the it is rust will be more on the salt water. So, ships suffer a lot of damage from rusting in spite of being painted. So, we can paint the ships. So much so that a fraction of ships iron has to be replaced every year. Every year, once you have to observe in the dockyards, shipyards, what they will do, every year they will paint. Why they will do the painting on the ships? Because of rusting. Okay, so ships are made up of, this is a continuation. So ships are made up of iron. Ships are made up of iron and a part of them remains under water. And a part of them remains under water. Remains under the water. On the part above water also, on the part above water also, water drops keep cleaning to the ship's outer surface. That water drops keep cleaning to the ship's outer surface. Moreover, the water of the sea contains many salts. Moreover, the water of the sea contains many salts. The salt water makes the process of rust formation fast. The salt water makes the process The salt water makes the process of rust formation faster. The salt water makes the process of rust formation faster. Therefore, ships suffer a lot of damage. Therefore, ships suffer a lot of damage from rusting. In spite of being painted. So that's why we can paint the every year to the ships. That a fraction of ship's iron has to be replaced every year. That a fraction of ship's iron has to be replaced every year. See, ships are made up of iron and a part of them remains under water. On the other part above on the water also. Water drops keep cleaning to the ship's outer surface. Moreover, the water of the sea contains many salts. The salt water makes the process of rust formation very faster. Therefore, ships suffer a lot of damage from rusting in spite of being painted. That's why we can paint the ships on the every year. Fraction of ships iron has to be replaced every year.